And incidentally, speaking of patching holes, after I cut the hole out underneath the desk, I've got this little piece of sheetrock. Now if you ever need to match some paint or something, you can cut something out like that. You could take that to the store, and that's a big enough piece for a painting company, or at a box store. They've got this little computer system. They take a picture of that and they can match the paint. They've got enough room to put a little bit on there and dry it off, mix up another, put it there, look at it, look at the sheen, see what it is, and all that. So there's a tip for you if you ever need to match some paint. And even if you're not relocating a telephone outlet or something, you could still put a cut-in box like that, you know, behind a TV, let's say, or in a closet, next to an electrical outlet or something. Cut it out, put a blank, you know, put the same type of little cut-in fixture, put that in the wall, put a blank plate over it, and voila. Now you've got a paint sample you can take to the store if that's your only option. There's a tip for you.